I'm Alex Holdsworth, the EMEA Regional Product Manager for Print Engines at Zebra. Today, we're going to be talking about the brand new ZE511 and ZE521 print engine that is going to be replacing the ZE500. This video will summarise all the extra technology and features you'll gain by moving to the ZE511. Let's dive in. The ZE511 is a LinkOS printer unlike the ZE500, meaning you'll gain access to Zebra's powerful Print DNA suite of tools, including emulations that allows the ZE511 to emulate programming languages from other vendors, such as TSC, SATO, and even Datamax. PPME is now supported on print engines for the first time ever, meaning you can remotely manage a fleet of Zebra printers, easily be able to push files, and even see the printer status too. Zebra's Setup app is another tool that can now be used for print engines for the first time ever, and this can get your print engine working in minutes. Simply tap to pair a mobile device to push formats, settings, and many more files without the need of a laptop at point of setup. Zebra has introduced a rotatable 4.3-inch color touch display, making it easier to see printer status and seek support via wizards and animations. This is far larger and easier to use than the LCD display on the ZE500. The ZE511 has a very competitive max speed of 18 IPS compared to the ZE500, which has a max speed of 12 IPS. On top of this, you can now do 600 DPI printing on the ZE511 and the RFID printing on both the 4 and 6-inch models. 600 DPI and 6-inch RFID printing were not options on the ZE500. Replacing printheads on the ZE511 is toolless, cableless, and features a new quick release mechanism where it takes seconds to change. This is far easier than printhead replacement on the ZE500. The ZE511 now offers Bluetooth as standard, unlike the ZE500 where it was not even an option. Dual USB hosts now come as standard as well on the ZE511, meaning you no longer need a PC at point of setup. The ZE500 only had one non-host USB port. 801.11 AC wireless offers better speed and security. This is available on the ZE511, which is several generations ahead of the BG wireless options offered on the ZE500. The ZE511 also comes with 256MB RAM and 512MB flash, which is double the memory offered on the ZE500. This will ensure your print engine is ready for those memory-intensive applications. If you require any further information about the ZE511, please visit zebra.com/ZE511 or your local Zebra sales rep for more details.